Hi friends, thanks for checking in. Today's video will show you how to add footer in Excel. Open up your Excel sheet, go to the Insert tab, then you select Header and Footer. So as you can see here, you can add your footer name or the header name. You click on the Go to Footer option to add some footers. So here you can write anything you want to. You can decide to write it here, you can write it here depending on whichever is your choice. You can also remove your header by clicking on header, then you select none. You can choose to customize your footer as you want. You can choose to make it big, to make the font bigger. You can choose to bolden it, to italicize it. You can choose to change the theme color. As you can see, you can choose to increase the font size. So your footer has successfully been inserted or added to your sheets. So that's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video contents. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.